Tesla Giga Berlin to install a zero environmental impact paint shop from Geico Taikisha. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, and now let's get back to today's story. So Tesla Giga Berlin will get the world's most advanced paint shop. Using the new painting technology, Tesla cars will have a special, attractive and lively look. Giga Berlin will have an advanced paint shop which will be able to apply paint in 3 layers. Several layers of paint give the color a realistic depth, which makes the colors brighter than possible with traditional paint systems. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said, "If you get dimensions, there is something called flop, where you can see the changing color with curvature." He also said, if you can do something like lay down a gloss layer, then lay down a layer with color tint, then lay down another gloss layer, you can get kind of a 3D feeling to the paint. It just pops. It's so much better than anything else. We're going to do this in Berlin for the first time. Equipment for Giga Berlin will be transported and installed by Schulp, a subsidiary just a few miles from the factory. Schulp is available as an industrial transport and assembly service provider for all OEMs and industrial suppliers supplying machines and systems for Tesla's new factory in Germany. Among other things, Schulp will install equipment in the paint shop. The equipment for the world's most advanced paint shop will be supplied by Geico Taikisha. Geico Taikisha is a world leader in the design and construction of turnkey automated auto body paint shops. With the Paradis project, launched in 2005, Geico Taikisha was the world's first company to offer a zero environmental impact paint shop, reducing energy consumption by 70%. The Smart Paint Shop by Geico Taikisha revolutionizes auto body paint shops with innovative and energy-efficient 4.0 technologies. It received the Surkar Canis Innovation Award for the best research and innovation worldwide.